Hello everyone, my name is Carmen Edilza Ortiz Sanchez and this is my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning, turn on the television to watch the news and find out the situation on the streets. I return to the kitchen, put the water to boil, make coffee, go to the bathroom to take a shower, pick up the towels to let them dry. I put the comfortable clothes to the kitchen to finish making breakfast. Go into the bedroom to make the bed, put on my helmet, gloves, and glasses, and lock the door before leaving my apartment. I take the bike to go down in the elevator. I get out of the elevator and go through the front of the restaurant of the building to go outside. Then I get on the bicycle, I sit down and I start pedal along the path marked for bicycle. Looking up, I see when the traffic lights change, I go around the park that makes the route longer. You may find burning out buses. I always bring water and a helmet to be safe. Sometimes I forget to bring money in my pocket and I have to go back to get in the case I have to buy things. In my work, I am in front of the computer and at the register. I receive money from the public of the sale of liquor. I also look down at the products that the waiters carry. I receive money from the sale of the day and I upload it to the office. After 9 p.m., we close my work place and I go to same way back home. I go up to the 14th floor. I unlock the door and I enter my house. I have the bicycle aside. I take off my backpack and hang it on the bike. Wash my hands, take a quick shower, put on my pajamas, and go to bed. Thank you.